Los Angeles. You and I buy star maps and ding-dong digital evangelist. It's only been a week, but I know that you are mine to keep. You are a radar detector. I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on and on, but you are always looking out for me. You and I go shopping and find exactly what we're looking for. You and I go shopping and fall asleep inside the mattress store. Yeah, yeah. We cruise the neighborhood, but it's not supposed to feel this good. You are a radar detector.